I'm Mark here with an AMS Club tip. Today we're diving into bulk editing in List View, a quick tip to help you master Dynamics 365 one tip at a time. So I have my list of active accounts here, and I can see I have my relationship type populated for some of the records, but it hasn't been done consistently. So what I'm able to do is I can select multiple records from the left-hand side with the checkboxes, and I get the edit button in the command bar here. So I click onto edit, and it gives me the account form with all the fields I'm able to edit within here, but I also get access to the header fields as well. And our relationship type field is in the header field. So I'm going to change this to customer, and I can click the save button down at the bottom. It tells me the number of records it's saved, and I can see that these have now been populated. It's as quick and as easy as that. So much quicker than doing an export to Excel online and bringing it back in. You just need to be very mindful that whatever you change, it will change that field. So don't go changing names or phone numbers or something that by mistake that would cause a bit of a data quality problem. So here we're very safe. We can change the customer into the relationship type field, and it's nice and quick. And we can obviously do that with any other fields that are relevant on the account form. So thanks for tuning into this week's AMS Club tip. If you found it useful, please like it, share it with your team, and subscribe for more. And remember, All My Systems is here to help you master Dynamics 365 one tip at a time.